Hi everyone, I'm Anastasiia. Ever wanted modern interactive visualizations in your R project or Shiny app without writing a single line of JavaScript? Today I'll show you nivo.bubblechart, interactive circle packing charts in a few lines of R. Circle packing, bubble charts, are a natural way to compare categories by size, budgets, portfolios, survey results. But if you want smooth animation, hover and click events in R, you usually have to drop into JavaScript. That's the gap this fills. You stay in R and get a modern interactive widget. Under the hood, it bridges R and JavaScript with HTML widgets and React R. Rendering is done by Nivo, a battle-tested React Viz library built on D3. You never touch any of this, but you get responsive layout, smooth animation, and production rendering for free. Here's all it takes. Start with a normal data frame. Names, values, optional colors. Prepare bubble data function turns it into the hierarchy the chart needs. Bubble chart renders it. Sizes reflect values. Colors come from your data. Hover shows the label. Note the 4 required style args. Give it an element ID, a main color, a label color, and a hover color. You control the whole look from R. Base color, label color, hover highlight, the color of a selected bubble, border width. Set is interactive equals false when you need a static chart for a report. And every bubble can carry its own color right in the data frame. Where it really shines is shiny. Standard output/render pair. Nothing new to learn. The key feature, built-in click events. Click a bubble and its name comes back as input ID clicked, where the ID is the element ID you gave the chart. Click empty space and you get deselect event. So a bubble can filter a table, update another chart, drive a whole dashboard. The chart becomes your navigation. These work best with a handful of categories where relative size matters. Portfolios, budgets, web traffic, survey summaries. Anywhere an engaging at-a-glance overview beats another bar chart or table. It's on CRAN today. Install it, pass a data frame, and you have an interactive bubble chart in seconds. The repo has examples and a full vignette. Thank you. Happy to take questions.